subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
हेलो गाइस, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको एक दूसरे तरीके के प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करके दिखाऊंगा कि जिसमें हम सम ऑफ टर्म्स ऑफ एपी यूज करेंगे, लेकिन थोड़ा सा उसका एक कह सकते हैं कि थोड़ा सा अलग रूप होगा। तो आइए देखते हैं वो क्या है। सो क्वेश्चन इज गिवन, find the sum of all 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 7. So you have to find all those natural numbers, sum of all natural numbers which are divided by 7. Okay, so here question is, there are a lot of numbers. Okay, there are a lot of number. If you go to calculate them, it will take more time, more space. Okay, so here we use, so we can say this is the one application of sum of n term of NAP. So we will use here and to get the sum of all 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. So see, how do we start? Okay, so first take 3-digit number, the smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. So definitely 105. 105 is the smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. So 105, and try to find the largest 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. So you can think it, so not difficult. So 994. 994 is the largest 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. So we have first number and we have a last number. Okay, first term, we have a last first term and last term, both term. Okay, now we need only one thing. If somehow we get how many number are there from 105 to 994, how many numbers are there which is divisible by 7, we use that formula, Sn equals to n by 2, first term plus last term. That's it. Okay, so how do we get how many numbers in between 105 to 994? Okay, so we can find it using n general formula of n term. Okay, so how? Let's see. So solution, we can write whatever I said, we can write here. So since 105 and 994 are the smallest and largest 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. Okay, so these two numbers. So again, what is the second number? Okay, so question is, what is the second number? So we can get it, 105, we add 7, so 1112, and again we add 7, we get the another number which is divisible by 7, again we add the 7, so and keep going, you can get 994. Okay, so we don't do this, this is like more complicated, not complicated, will take a lot of effort. So we can write one or two terms. So 105, 117, sorry 112, add 7 again, 119, 126 and 994. So these are the numbers, 3-digit numbers which is divisible by 7. So here A is equals to 105, D equals to 7. Now suppose there are n numbers. Okay, so there are n numbers. So last number is given 994 equals to, there's a formula Tn equals to n plus a plus n minus 1d. So A is given 105 plus n minus 1 and d is 7. So now subtract this one, 994 minus 105 equals to n minus 1 into 7. Now subtract from here, what do you get? So that would be 9, 8 and 7. No, I think 8. Yes, 8. 8, 8, 9 equals to n minus 1 into 7. Now we can get n minus 1 equals to 8, 8, 9 upon 7. Okay, so n minus 1 equals to 1, 2 and 7. So n minus 1 equals to 1 to 7. So n is equals to 1 to 7 plus 1. So n is equals to 1 to 8. So there are 128 number between 105 to 994 which is divisible by 7. Now we are going to find sum of all these numbers. So there are 128 numbers. So directly we can use that formula 128 by 2. 2a, a is 105 plus n minus 1d. So n is 128, that becomes 127 into d is 7. Okay, so if you solve this one, so this is 6, 4, this is 10 to 10 plus this is 9, 8, 8. Okay, add them. 6, 4 into 9, 9, 10, 9, 9. Now if you multiply, you will get 70336. So sum of all numbers, all 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 is 70336. So आपने देखा कि कैसे हमने थोड़ा सा यूज किया कि कैसे हम इसको एपी में कन्वर्ट करें, या जो भी गिवन है वो एपी में है, हम एपी में उसको लेके आए और उसको फार्मूला लगा के सॉल्व कर लें. थैंक यू.